Welcome to my all friends. This is Abhay Kumar Singh and you are watching Abhay Singh Fearless World. I am going to start make video on NEBOSH General Certificate or IGC. It has two parts. IG1 and IG2. In IG1, there are 4 elements. And IG2 there are 7 elements. Let's start IG1 first element.
In element 1, our learning objective is: first, discuss the moral, social and financial reasons for managing health and safety in the workplace. Second, explain how health and safety is regulated and the consequences of non-compliance. Third, summarize the main health and safety duties of different groups of people at work. Fourth, explain how contractors should be selected, monitored and managed. Let's start our first learning objective. Before starting, we should be familiar with some key terms. Health can be defined as the absence of disease or ill health. Safety can be defined as the absence of risk of serious personal injury. Welfare can be defined as access to basic facilities. The 3 main reasons to manage health and safety. These are moral, legal, and financial. The moral reason for managing health and safety. Global statistics from the International Labour Organization (ILO) SAFER program. Over 350,000 work-related fatal accidents each year. 2.75 million work-related fatalities each year. 2.4 million fatalities from occupational diseases. 270 million accidents and 160 million diseases a year due to work. 4% of global GDP is lost. These statistics indicate that a huge amount of pain and suffering is experienced by people who simply go to work to earn a living. The numbers indicate the scale of the problem. What the numbers don't do is tell the individual stories. When health and safety is not managed properly, people can get killed and injured in gruesome ways or suffer terrible diseases that have a massive impact not only on them, but also their dependents, families, friends, and colleagues. This suffering is morally unacceptable. Employers, through management, control the premises, equipment and working practices used by workers to produce the goods and services that the employer requires. Employers, therefore, have a moral responsibility to provide safe and healthy working conditions. The second reason is financial reason for managing health and safety. Accidents and ill health cost money. These costs may be in terms of direct and indirect. Direct cost means measurable costs arising directly from accidents. Indirect cost means cost arise as a consequence of the event but may not directly involve money. Often difficult to quantify. Health and safety failure can affect the broader economy as well as individual companies. Insured and uninsured costs. It is usually possible to take out insurance to cover some of the losses that might foreseeably occur to an organization. Many organizations take insurance policies so that if a worker is killed or injured at work, there is insurance in place to pay compensation to worker or their dependents and to meet the employer's civil costs. Insured costs: fire, worker injury, death, medical costs, uninsured costs, loss of raw materials due to accidents, sick pay, overtime, equipment repairs, lost materials. Third reason is legal reasons for managing workplace health and safety. Most countries have laws that set standards for how organizations should conduct themselves with regard to the management of health and safety risks. Failure to achieve these legal minimum standards can lead to enforcement action by the authorities or prosecution before the courts. Successful prosecution can lead to a fine and imprisonment for the individuals concerned. Some exercise question for you. Explain the 3 reasons why an organization should manage health and safety. Answer. The 3 reasons why an organization should manage health and safety are moral, financial, and legal reasons. Give 3 insured costs and 3 uninsured costs that might arise from a workplace accident. Answer. Insured costs, any 3 from the following: damage to plant, buildings and equipment, compensation paid to workers, medical costs, legal costs arising from a claim for compensation. Uninsured costs, any 3 from the following: production delays or downtime, loss of raw materials, accident investigation time, criminal fines, sick pay for injured workers, overtime to make up for lost production, hiring and training new employees, loss of customers, clients and contracts as a result of damage to business reputation.